Hello and welcome to the online learning session of the subject Digital Techniques and Microprocessor. So in first lecture we studied the main difference between analog and digital systems. So as we know this subject is Digital Techniques and Microprocessor, so we'll be focusing more on digital systems. So before going in detail with the topic, we need to know what is the binary logic or few terms are there which we must understood. So first is binary logic. अब logic का meaning क्या होता है? Any kind of statement which is true if the condition is satisfied, which is true if the condition is satisfied, and false if the condition is not satisfied. So this is basically one logic, and logic can be of two voltage level. अब levels हमारे होंगे high level. So high level can be represented by logic 1 and low level can be represented by the logic 0. So there are few terms like bit, byte and nibble which we need to understand. तो फर्स्ट बिट, अब बिट का मीनिंग यही होता है एनी काइंड ऑफ सिंगल जीरो और वन ऑन इट्स ओन, दैट इज नथिंग बट जीरो, दैट इज नथिंग बट बिट. अब जीरो हम लिखेंगे तो वो होगा एक सिंगल बिट, अगर वन लिखते हैं दैट इज ऑल्सो वन सिंगल बिट. So 0 or 1 in its own it is nothing but the bit. And if there is a combination or group of 4 bits together, it is called as nibble. और इसी तरह से अगर एक ग्रुप है आपका 8 बिट्स का, so this is called as byte. Next important definition using for the number system, that is base. Base is or radix. Base or radix is nothing but the number of unique digits including digit 0 used to represent any kind of number. For example, for the decimal number system, the most common number system we use today or in schooling time also, we are using since then. So base number is 10. Why 10? Because it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. Ab 0 to 9, matlab if we are counting from 0, so we'll get the 10 unique digits. Unique matlab alag digits, वो repeat नहीं होते हैं. तो 10 digits are there. That is why base of the decimal number system is 10. So number system, as we all know, is one kind of writing system for expressing numbers. So number system, डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम, यहाँ पे बेस होगा आपका 10. बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम, बेस विल बी 2, दैट इज यूनिक नंबर्स आर 0 एंड 1. ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम का बेस होता है 8, दैट इज यूनिक नंबर्स जो भी होंगे वो होते हैं फ्रॉम 0 to 7. एंड हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम्स बेस इज 16, दैट इज फ्रॉम 0 to 9 एंड फ्रॉम A to F. So one can note here, for representing 10 in hexadecimal number system we write one alphabet A, like this: 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So in this way we have from 0 to 15 16 digits, unique digits हम उसे बोलेंगे. तो यही रीज़न है आपका हेक्साडेसिमल जो बेस होता है उसका वो होता है 16. So one counting table is given here. Let's take one example. So 10 in decimal can be represented by 1010 in binary. In octal, it can be represented by the value 1 2. It is not 12, it is 1 2. And for hexadecimal, we represent 10 using A. Common number system. These are the number systems. Conversion among bases. Now there are various possibilities of converting the number system. So we can convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to hex, hex to octal, or any kind of conversion is possible there. And in detail we need to study all these topics. So firstly we will try to convert any kind of other system, yeah, binary number system to decimal number system. So there are few steps to be followed. So first is note down the given number. Second, write down the weights corresponding to different positions. Then we should multiply each digit in the given number with the corresponding weight. Finally, we will obtain the product and then add all the product numbers to get the final equivalent. So let's try to solve this. We'll try to convert binary number system to decimal number system. So let's say this is one example. Binary number system is given 1010.01. अब इसे कन्वर्ट किस तरह से करेंगे? फर्स्टली नोट डाउन द नंबर. सेकेंड, अब आपके डेसिमल पॉइंट से यहाँ हम जब भी लिखते हैं, सो दिस इज अवर LSB, लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट, एंड दिस इज द MSB. The position of digits we should write like this, 2 to the power 0. Now why I have written here 2, because हमारा जो सिस्टम है वो बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम है, तो हमें पता है कि बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम का बेस होता है 2, तो यही रीज़न है यहाँ 2 लिखा है. सो दिस बिकम्स 2 टू द पावर 0. एंड सिमिलरली वी कैन राइट हियर 2 टू द पावर 1, 0 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 2, यहाँ 2 टू द पावर 3, एंड सिमिलरली फॉर दिस ऑल्सो -1 2 टू द पावर -2. अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई किस तरह से, 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 3, 0 into 2 to the power 2, इस तरह से, and then we'll get the final output.